What's up, you guys? We are here at UCC Ultimate Call-Out Challenge in Indianapolis, Indiana, here at Lucas Oil Speedway. We got this whole park right here is going to be full of vendors. We got drag racing, burnouts. There's a lot of stuff to do here. We got the food vendor line. You name it, it's here. So I hope to see you guys here this weekend, and we're going to have a great time. Guys, I'm buying a little something. I don't know about you, but me, I'm always on Facebook Marketplace everywhere I go. So my impulsive buy is about to show up real quick, and we're gonna throw it on the truck.
Impulsive buy has arrived.
It's showing up right now. What do we got here? I think we got a set of 16 wides. I don't need them, but I want them.
Why not?
Why not, right?
These on this rig?
Impulsive buy is here.
So, Aiden, what do you think about the new wheels?
I'm definitely not used to this, and definitely in Indianapolis, Indiana, these roads are rough. So, we're going to attempt to park this thing on the curb because this is where we're supposed to park it. But we'll see if I can do this without curbing. How close do you think we can cut her?
Yeah, just a little bit more. All right, right there, right there, right there, right there. Nah, this is safe side.
Good?
We're locked in.
All right, we locked in.
Well, side quest was complete. Now,
I was not expecting that, but he was like, well, why don't you get 16 wides? That looked good for all this videoing. I'm like, Marketplace real quick, get on Marketplace. And I found a set that was like 30 minutes away. So I messaged the guy. The guy came down here, met me. I gave him cash and my stocks for him. So to me, it's a win-win. And we're back on wide. She looks good. So we're show ready now, I guess.
let's take a good look at this thing. Gosh.
Now when we get back home, I've got new plastic fender well liners for it. I'm going to order some new mirrors, front bumper, grill. Because the paint is a little messed up. I'm gonna get some custom headlights for it, and we're gonna clean this thing back up and make it show worthy again.
get on your feet. It's quite sticky.
Smell freedom. How do you smell?
It's quite sticky down here. Oh,
What about a backbench to scooter and strip?
let's get it, brother. Oh my God. There is so much chaos going on. Brother. What is happening? This is pure chaos.
Big media guy.
We got the Amish guy next up.
Amish guy. This screams straight country right here.
It's kind of hard to zoom in with this gate,
I
but
don't know if he's gonna rip her or not.
guess we'll find out.
All right, here we go. Look at this. All the
Over here.
What the f is going on? I have to like a 9-dick dragon.
Go let that thing out, brother. Brother done let it eat.
He laid her. He laid her down.
What do we got here? We got another 6-0 ripping in the pit.
Here we go.
We got a twin turbo to S10 coming in.
Yeah, there you go. Now you know what you're talking about.
No, what are you talking about? Nobody's seen that first clip. Twin turb ski OBS.
Bruh.